rush right now. We're late, but today we get to see, today we get to see our new house that's being built. It's called a hard hat tour, and we're gonna have a hard hat tour and go around basically a building site, but it's our chance before January to measure and just get some ideas in. We want to, you know how high the ceilings are so we can work out how big the wardrobe is that we're going to buy. We want to know how wide our bedroom is. It won't be that big, our bedroom, but how wide our bedroom is so we can work out whether we can get a king size or not. So Gino's driving. Baby, say hi. So we're driving frantically because we need to be there for 10, and we left central London at 9:15. But we will update you. In rush hour. In rush hour, yeah. We will update you soon. Bye. We need to put on our boots. Oh my god, these are massive. Okay. They're good.
Ooh, hard hat boots. Wow.
We're doing India during the process of work. When you move, before you're moving in.
Baby. Cool.
Fantastic. This is the underground car park. Ours is
Serial number.
yeah. Ours is
CB.
CBE, CBD, CBD.
Yeah. So that's gonna be the main entrance.
That's the main entrance.
Car park.
Oh, okay. So we
There's gonna be a shutter control by the remote.
do we keep the remote with us?
Yeah.
Everyone gets a remote.
No, just try to stop it.
Let me see.
Yeah.
So up here, this is the main entrance. Oh right, so that you drive in through there. This is where you drive in. Okay, cool. Wow.
And in the end, everything's gonna be level.
That's gonna be-
won't be a step. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, cool. Yeah. Oh god, is the lift safe?
Let's try.
Ooh, nice lift. Yeah, fantastic. Oh, look at the fancy lift. It gives you the weather.
Yeah.
Oh, it gives you the weather?
Yeah, yeah.
Gives you the weather.
That's what we're
Good.
baby.
Ooh, it plays music. Oh no, isn't that fancy?
Straight on. Baby, best of luck. Brace yourself. I'll hold it, I'll hold it. Go for it, baby. Be the first one.
Oh, oh my god, look! Baby, look, sorry. I said, look, oh my god, sorry. Wow, oh, fantastic. Is this where the washing machine goes?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, you have the fitting pipe in here.
Yeah.
The plug point and the waste.
Okay.
Pipe. And this is the heating unit system.
Great.
Yeah.
So how many lights do we have? 1, 2 lights here. It's just we're thinking of putting a smart lighting system here. So I need to see 3, 4. Oh my gosh, look at the kitchen, baby. Look at the kitchen.
Yeah.
This is for the waste.
Yeah.
Just use this tap in here.
Yeah.
And attach the waste hose.
Okay.
And this is the filter. It's a bit on the step as well. So if you look opposite.
Yeah.
It's the same.
This is our balcony. Balcony, we've got our neighbours right next door to us, but we've got a balcony here, which is quite nice. And we'll... Okay. Okay. Whoa. The bath is a bit smaller than I thought it'd be. Okay, everything looks... Okay, so this is the main bedroom, yeah? Master bedroom.
And he has the ensuite.
Okay. This is the master bedroom. This is our view. This is good. And the ensuite is here. It's an ensuite, isn't it? Okay. This is the guest bedroom. We've asked for this to be changed because this is too small for a fridge to fit in. And you can see there's a doorstop there as well, so we're not too happy with that. This window needs to be fixed. Cool. Okay. Whoa. The bath is a bit smaller than I thought it'd be. Water's working. It's quite a big balcony that we've got. It's ours up there. So what do you think, darling? He likes it.